Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out these LA Colors Neon Gel Eyeliners. Well, actually some of them are neon. From the green to the blue here is neon, and then you've got black, silver, bronze, a black brown, and a brown. And I am so excited and so grateful that LA Colors sent me the whole collection of their gel liners. And you may have seen these in my recent PR haul unboxing video. But if you have not seen that video yet, of course I'll have that linked in the description down below so you can check it out. I am so excited to try out these different colors. These look so fun. And they only cost $2. I saw that you could get it at Walmart, Family Dollar, and I absolutely love LA Colors. I love how affordable they are, but such great quality products. I feel like LA Colors sets the bar so high, whereas other products that I try out that are not even as good as LA Colors, I'm like, why is this so expensive when I could try this same type of product out from LA Colors for better and way cheaper? So I have tried out so many LA Colors products and I'm such a huge fan. So excited to try out some of these shades today. Before I actually put some on my eyes, I kind of want to do some swatches. So let's start with this one here. This is called Hypnotic. And also these are cruelty-free and paraben-free. So let's see how it looks. Ooh, so this is the type that you sharpen. Even though it seems like plastic, it doesn't twist up. You would just use your classic sharpener with these. So let's see how this Hypnotic shade looks. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. And it's such a soft, creamy gel. You only lightly have to touch it and you get that full color. So this glides right on. I also want to swatch one of the non-neon ones. So this is one of the metallics in the shade Mermaid Tail Shimmer. Oh, that is beautiful. Definitely a noticeable metallic sheen to it and such a pretty blue silver shade. I am so impressed by how pigmented and creamy these are. So I want to take the white and see how this is on the lower lash line and in the waterline, because that's where I would typically wear the white. And oh my gosh. Okay, this is immediately so pigmented and sticking right on to the waterline. I have seriously never found an eyeliner that sticks onto the waterline like this one does. And this is a white shade. But look at that. Look at how bright that is. That is so impressive. Okay, well, we're gonna see how that sticks in the waterline. It's like such a bright white. I feel like it makes my actual eyes look not white. I'm like, oh, my eyes are not as bright as I want them to be. That seriously, I think, is the most impressive white eyeliners I have ever tried. For the fun of it, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a few different shades to my eyes, you know? We're gonna just have fun. I love wearing a bronzy shimmer on the lower lash line, so on my other eye, I wanna try this one out. This is called Rose Gold Shimmer. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Super shimmery. You can see that on camera, but so, I love this color. These are so incredibly pigmented and it doesn't poke at my under eye at all. These are amazing. It's going to be really difficult for me to ever want to buy any other eyeliner, especially one where I'd have to pay more than $2, when these are absolutely incredible. It's still completely intact on my waterline. Like, I didn't even think that was actually possible with eyeliners and my waterline, because I had never found an eyeliner that actually stuck, let alone a white eyeliner that showed up. That's amazing. All right, now this teal one is so pretty. This is actually called Wonder. And I want to go ahead and, for the fun of it, put this on my top lash line. Yes. It just glides right on. It's not poking my eye. It's not pulling or dragging. And look at how bright and neon this truly is. Like, that is the most amazing formula. I don't even know how they did it, let alone how they did it for such an inexpensive price. And on the other eye, let's try out the neon purple called Enchanted. Even though I feel like this one maybe isn't quite as neon as some of the others, but it still is such a beautiful shade of purple. And still so pigmented, so creamy and easy to apply. Gosh, I love these eyeliners. I'm so grateful that I have all of the shades, but if you are looking for any shade of eyeliner, you have to check these out. $2 and truly the best eyeliner formula I think I've ever tried. Let's check in again on the white on the waterline. I'm like, are you kidding me? It is still there. I mean, you can see that on camera. Like, that is so bright and noticeable. I know this looks kind of weird, but looking in the mirror at this, it looks so cool having all the different color lines on my eyes. Like, this could be the new makeup trend. Like, just like a rainbow of eyeliner on the eyes. That makes me want to do like a literal rainbow with these on the lids, like a 1/4 of an inch yellow, 1/4 of an inch green, 1/4 of an inch purple. Like, that would be so fun. That would be so pretty. Okay, I'm going to do that. That's a makeup look that I am going to rock very soon. Doesn't that sound so fun? And I just love a fun makeup product. And these seriously make eyeliner fun. They are the best formula. I have no complaints. I am absolutely blown away by these. I would love to hear in the comments down below, what's your favorite color eyeliner to wear? Do you wear a classic black? Do you like white? Do you like a color? Let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.